Assalamu alaikum dear students. Let's take a new short story, The Shepherd's Treasure. Title बच्चों आज लो इस new short story. यमुक title छो Shepherd's Treasure. Treasure छे वना सुका इस कीमती valuable thing है silver छो gold छो jewelry छो मगर इस वुचो कि निम्सन treasure क्या छो इमिस shepherd सुंद क्या इमिस तो सा gold क्या इमिस तो सा jewelry किन इमिस उस बेका इमसन ट्रेजर क्या उस किमसन shepherd गोड वुचो shepherd का छेस वना देरसन shepherd मीन्स गो छेस पहलिस वना स्टिल रोच a person who looks after the sheep is called shepherd. A poor shepherd once lived in Iran. यह उस वारिया गरीब इस shepherd उस एक आज उस रोज़ा एक आत मुल्क स्मस रोज़ा ईरान स्मस though uneducated he was very wise and helpful. यूस अनपढ़ मगर योर उस ज़हीन wise go intelligent and helpful means go a person who helps others. This biggest mother has karate message when helpful. The king decided to meet him in disguise. You see, in mulko badshah us yat mulkus manzi roza us poor shepherd. That mulkus kya us now it was the name of the country Iran. And the king decided to meet him, to meet the shepherd in disguise means disguise is when funny identity chupai to hide one's identity. In a village in Iran, there once lived a shepherd. He was very poor. He did not have even a small cottage of his own. He had never been to school or learned to read and write, for there were very few schools in those days. In a village in Iran, village is one gamus. A gam us at mulkusmas, yat mulkusmas your rosamus, shepherd, Iranismas. There once lived a shepherd. Where? In a village in Iran. Atsus roza shepherd a poor. He was very poor. He was very garib. He did not even a small cottage of his own. What was his condition? And so halat kya was? Even he had not a small cottage means hut of his own. He was panas katar jhopdi thiki. He had never been to school or learned to read or write. Nush gumut is school, nush hishmut imza lekun to parm. What was the reason? For there were very few schools in those days. They don't listen each school ke that mulkas mas, yat mulkas mas ye roza mas. Only few schools were there. Though poor and uneducated, this shepherd was very wise. Go agar गरीब उस नहायत गरीब तो बे उस अनपढ़ मगर big side उस इसमें quality यूज ज़हीन. He was very wise means intelligent. He understood people's sorrows and troubles and helped them face their problems with courage and common sense. यूज समझान लुकन हंस गम sorrows means क्या गए griefs and troubles problems मुश्किलात में वना शेष. Whose problems? The people's problems. Whose sorrows? The people's sorrows. And helped them. This poor shepherd helped them, means helped the people face their problems with courage. और ये उसमें वना कि तो एक कितपुर से problems face करें, you must करें with courage means with bravery, हमतसान and common sense. Many people came to him for advice. वारिया लोग इस इमस निशमा किम कदर for advice means for counseling. Guys, use वारिया ज़हीन. That is why they came to him. So he became famous for his wisdom and friendly nature. He became mashhur. He go mashhur kath maz pannis at danayi maz. Wisdom means guys sagacity and friendly nature. He became famous for having these qualities. This means mazim qualities as the atmas go ye mashhur akasmas maz wisdom based friendly nature. It means friendly means he was friendly with all the people who came to him. That means friendly nature. Wisdom means, dear sons, he was very wise how to solve the problems of the people, how they can face. And he advised the people. He was looking salah devan. The king of that country heard about him and thought of meeting him. इस मुल्कुक बादशाह उस के मुल्कुक the king of Iran. He had also heard about him, about this man, this poor man, this we can say uneducated. On one side he was uneducated, but on another side we can say he was very wise, intelligent. That is why the king wanted to meet him. Yusuf Saimis Samkum, disguised as a shepherd and riding on a mule. One day the king came to the cave where the wise shepherd lived, disguised as a shepherd. Go imkur pani identity छुपो im kim बादशाहन मगर imkur im sundu रूप इख्तियार या shepherd sindis रूपस मस उस बादशाह तथ छे वनान disguise करन and riding on a mule छे वनान खचरस ये कथ पेट और खचरस पेट. One day the king came to the ek do woot yat in this caves nish yat maz ye rozons where the wise shepherd lived, intelligent zahin yat maz ye rozi kat maz rozan caves maz. Tawai pura shariken, dear students, he had not even a small cottage of his own. Cottage means hut. Now you come to know where he lived. He lived in the cave. He was gwek maz roza. होते वोती बादशाह उरेमिस एद gwek maz magar su kat रूपस maz sa shepherd since रूपस maz. As soon as shepherd saw the traveler coming towards the cave, yuthu em shepherd wuch traveler ye or paka panas kun emis nis caves kun, he rose to welcome him. You thought em koremis greet, welcome go khoshamdeed karun. Ach byak word wana is greet. He took the tired traveler inside the cave. Chon ye pannes at caves mas. Is tired traveler wana is thukmut os. Gave him water drink, ditnus chan katar tresh and a share of his own meager meal. Mamudi guzaish mas khan katar bichars was. Sidness khan katar. The king rested for the night in the cave. Imkur aram at imsnis caves mas rat's duty it caves mas, and was greatly impressed by the shepherd's hospitality and wise conversation. And what was the thing that he saw in the, we can say, this poor shepherd? It was his hospitality and wise conversation that impressed him. You see, hospitality is one as mehman nawazi. Is mehmanas kit put su khyai chai ta chesna hospitality. The kat andaz mas ki go mutasir badsha go mutasir imsin mehman nawazi said be imsin wise conversation said is misim kadba put karin emis said how he talked to him. The shepherd was able to make out that his visitor was none other than the king. Ishimis pat lagan pata dear story paro कि इमिस lagan pat pata कि मतलब इस कैस lagan pata इस समझा गोड़ थे इमिस lagan pata कि ये कुछ नफर से नसन कहाँ नफर यशु कुछ इशु ये मुल्कों के बादशाह इमिस सोते रेस्पेक्ट ये कोता वाइज शी shepherd कोता दाना चुगो इम कोरिये identify within no time. That means he is the king of this country, none other than the king of इशन कहाँ ये कुछ The king made the wise shepherd governor of a small district. Patchi बनावा है मिसे एक मतलब लगते मत district बनावा है मिसे governor के मिसे बनावा है मिस wise shepherds. तिम बकी governor शासन तम चिके सान jealous बकिन district के नहीं मिस पैट new governor पैट तम चिके मिस dishonest ये लगे बन पता ये लेसी पारो तो कम कैच बना मिस dishonest. Why they became jealous? Tam कैस गई इनस्पेक्ट so hasad pod imsund so jalan कैस गई pod इले से बोन कुन पारो ऐसे लाइक टाटो बच्चे पता तो बे कैस बनो कि गवर्नर इन small district को इत लगे ऐसे पता. Though still tired, the king decided to depart the next morning. He said, "Many thanks for your kindness to a poor traveler. I have a long way to go. Permit me to leave." Though still tired. अगर चीज़ों में थुक मुद्री मगर बादशाह ने फैसला बासे इधराव आये डिपार्टमेंट्स टू लीव देमी दोस्तों वो इधराव आये इमसेस गुट मज़ वो ये रवान. He said, "Many thanks for your kindness to a poor traveler." तो इनको इमसन शुक्रिया अदा इसमें सिम kindness हो पुअर ट्रेवलर्स कुन केम शेफर्डन आई हैव ए लॉन्ग वे टू गो मे वह फैसला कर तय परमिट मी टू लीव यह मंगान अमिस इजाजत परमिट गो इजाजत मंगान कुछ मंगान यह ट्रेवलर इस डिसगाइज कोर कस रूपस मज शेफर्ड सन्दस रूपस मज अमिस केवस मज ब्यूट रात अमिस नश वह द्राय वह अम शुक्रिया कर अदायत वह दपान मे फैसला कर तय मे से इजाजत कह पोस्ट ना पे इजाजत मंगा मे दिव इजाजत पे मोक अम इजाजत कम इस बादशाह वापस द्राय अमिस गट मज लुकिंग स्ट्रेट इन टू द आईज ऑफ हिज गेस्ट द शेफर्ड रिप्लाइड थैंक यू योर मैजेस्टी फॉर पेइंग मी कम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ ए विजिट तो यह अमिस अचन कुन वुचान पन्निस अमिस गेस्टस कुन कुछ यह शेफर्ड अम कोर अमिस शुक्रिया योर मैजेस्टी अम कोर वर्ड यूज योर मैजेस्टी फॉर पेइंग मी द कम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ हिज विजिट मैजेस्टी कर सुंद ओहद वारिया थोद यह मुल्क क्या बादशाह गो अम पहचान यह मतलब गो यह कूता वाइज इवन दो ही डिसगाइज्ड इन द शेप ऑफ ए शेफर्ड इवन कि यह आव शेफर्ड सन्दस रूपस मज और मगर अम पहचान कि दोपन यह बादशाह निम मुल्क कम पश अमी यह वाइज शेफर्डन The king was astonished as well as pleased. He is indeed very wise, he thought himself. I need people like him to work for me. And the king appointed this humble shepherd the governor of a small district. बादशाह गो हैरान एक साइड गो यह हैरान बेक साइड गो यह खुश प्लीज्ड ही वाज वेरी हैप्पी दैट ही इज इंडीड ए वेरी वाइज मतलब गो बेशक यह दाना बेशक यह जहीन यह वन बादशाह ही थॉट हिमसेल्फ यह पन पान से सोचा मे अमिस नफरस इतने लुकन हज मे जरूरत आई नीड पीपल लाइक हिम टू वर्क फॉर मी मान खतर काम करान एंड द किंग अपॉइंटेड दिस हम्बल शेफर्ड द गवर्नर ऑफ ए स्मॉल डिस्ट्रिक्ट बादशाह कोर यह अपॉइंट अम बनो यह हम्बल शेफर्ड क्या बनो गवर्नर मीनस गो रूलर अक लक्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट इस अमुक पार्ट अम मुल्क तमो बनो यह गवर्नर यह कम बनो अम बादशाह बनो कुछ बनो यह वाइज शेफर्ड बनो गवर्नर रूलर थैंक यू